Now let's see how we can create new custom brush inside of GIMP. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the brush section right here, and then I'm going to go around and then enable out the brush dialog. So I'm going to go around onto the dockable dialog right here and then access the brush. And then you can see this right here. So now what you can do is you can go around and create a new brush. So you can go around and click on this button right here, and you get a shape as you can see right here. You can change around the radius of this particular brush and change around the spikes as well, and change around the hardness of the brush according to how you want as well, just like this. Then you can change around the aspect ratio as you can see of the brush, and change around the angle as well, and also change around the spacing of the brush right here. Once you do that, you can simply go around and see the brush over here. So right now the dynamics is on, so I'm just going to go around and turn off the dynamics, and you can see the brush over here on how it draws. You can change around the spacing and you can see that it becomes smoother now. So I can go around and change around the radius of the brush right here, just like this, and there is a brush. And now what I can do with the brush is I can save it around. Let's say for example, I can go around and say this is custom brush right here, just like this. So this is a custom brush. You can go around over here onto, let's say, a square shaped brush as well. So you got more like a square shape. Then you got a diamond shape over here, just like this, and you got a diamond shape right here. And you can change around the spikes as you can see right here, change around the hardness, and you got a custom brush as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around and create a custom brush right here, just like this, according to how you want inside of GIMP, and use it. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.